in my opinion, I think computer is such a machine or such a thing which makes our works easy. It is essential for storing data, making many types of documents such as Word documents, PowerPoint presentation for any works, and as well as Excel spreadsheets. As well as it help us.
It helps us.
It helps us to make many types of programs by using coding languages such as Java, C++, etc. And it also
Helps us.
helps us to communicate with other persons for communication, as well as for studying and getting knowledge from online browsers. There are many online classes which we can communicate by using using the computer. So I think computer is one of the most essential parts of today's life. That's it.
Fantastic. Very good. Shubho.
In my opinion, I will say that many people will thought that yeah, now we have mobile phones that is also considered as a pocket computer, but there are some apps like Word, PowerPoint that we can't use in mobile phone, and we can use them in desktop. So desktop is very important, and also desktop has a big screen that reduces the pressure in our eyes. That's it.
Fantastic.
Computers are very important device of our life. In today's era, without computers, life is impossible because it is very much important to make projects in PowerPoint, such as in Words, and also some spreadsheets. It is very important, and also so teachers, doctors, everyone uses one desktop computer because it helps them very much. As he said that we think that that phones are considered as pocket computers, but also computer has some advantages which we don't get from phones, such as some apps which can't be downloaded in a phone can be downloaded in computer for PC. And also we can get the facility of coding such as HTML, JavaScript, and also many other languages are there. So computer is very important.
Fantastic. Very good. Very good.
I think computer is a productive product in our life because the students can use the computers for their homeworks, and the computer solves difficult questions into easy. Um, and the office colleagues use it for holding the data, and the computer has very advantages. And the phone is called the mini pocket computer, but mobiles, the ray of the mobile that can damage our eyes. That's it. Thank you.
Fantastic. Very good. Very good.
Computer is important in today's life and for us because it has many apps that don't have that doesn't have in phones, like PowerPoint. And there is an app called Browse, and this app helps, like phone have Google, and this computer have that Chrome. It helps like Google in computer. And there is many things we can
There are many things.
there are many things in computers that phone do not have. That's why computer is essential today's life.
Fantastic. Very good. Very.
I think in today's generation, computer is very important. Not only today's, in earlier time also, it was in great use for everybody. Although in today's generation, it has been replaced with laptops, smartphones, tablets. But though it has done a very beautiful, a very essential work for us. as it stores data, it store our memories that we can see and enjoy it. It helps in entertainment also, watching movies, playing games. Some games are also there which are only available in computers, so it helps in entertainment, game sites, and even in for student it is also a very great use, because we can search many things, we can know many things, and we can make documents, all the things. So I think in today's generation computer is playing a big role in our life.
Fantastic. Okay.
Sir, nowadays computer is very essential for us because nowadays AI is developing and the computer is one of them. And nowadays there are so many advantages and side by side there is disadvantages of computers. Computers holds so many data and we can get so many information from computer. That's it.
Fantastic. Okay.
Computer important today's life because computer is
Computer is essential
essentials essential
to do many works.
to do many works, like online classes, playing games, and others document holds.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, you.
Nowadays computer is very essential to us because it helps us to store many videos, games, movies, and that we can watch later. And it also helps us to play games, doing online class. And in nowadays computer is in our school, I mean our school subject, so we have to learn English, computer. And it also helps us to doing many projects and online classes. And we can know many unknown things from the computers. And in future if we do any job, there is a must computer, so we have to learn computer. And as time is changing, so AI is improving, so we have to changing by the time. So I think computer plays a great role in our life.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
I think today generation computer. I think today generation connecting with our life with computer. Without computer, we cannot imagine in our life. Computer helps in our life very easy. Computer store many datas. Make a project. Include many information with in computer. That's all. Thank you.
Very good. Very good.
In today's life computer is a very important thing. Without computer a student cannot do anything. In corona's time every student must do online classes. In that time phone is harmful for our eyes. In these cases computer is a very important thing. And also in computer we can play games, watch movies, and etc. Especially in computer a student do his or her homework and also do project work. And in computer use by using MS PowerPoint a student can do many things. So I think computer is a very important for our daily lives.
Very
That's
good.
all. Thank you.
Very good.
Computer is very essential in our life because it helps us to do many things. It also helps students to do many projects in PowerPoint, MS Word, etc. It also helps us in e-commerce, f- like like online shopping. It also entertains us by by installing games and playing that. We can also watch movies. Nowadays AI is improving very much, and it is also very powerful. It can help in our studies. It can also improve our speeches that we cannot do very properly. A computer also stores data that we can watch later for our essential works, like many projects or photos or videos. That's it. Thank you. Computer is very computer is very important in our life because computer can play entertainment, see videos. That's all.
Very good, boy. Wow. You are a newcomer. Very good. Yeah.
Today life computer is very essential for us because we can because it make work easier for us, and we can also keep records of our project that we can see after, and it also help doing homework in Excel, PowerPoint, etc. We can also paint in the computer, and we can also play games. That's all. Thank you.
Fantastic. Very good.
A computer is essential part in our life because as it is an electronic device, it can store many datas and as pictures, videos, and mm, then after saving it, we can also see it or see the videos or see the datas, and also it helps in our homework because of advanced technology in computers.
Fantastic. Quite impressive. You.
So computer is important for us because firstly it helps us in our study, because by many browsers we can know many unknown things, and mm by computer we can uh, express our creativity. That's all.
Okay. Very good. It's your turn.
Computer is essential is our life
In our life.
in our life because by computer we can do many things like watching movies, do our homeworks because now there are online classes, so we can do our homework and playing games, etc.
Fantastic. Very good. Noitik, it's your turn. Just a minute. Let me be ready first.
Computer is so essential for us because it help us in amount of things, and we can read, studies, and we can do paintings, etc. many things, and and it is a machine um, that it is a machine uh, um, that do easy work, that do hard work easy, so it is important.
Very good. Yeah. Ankit.